welcome back to Take Me Outdoors. I'm host Iben with you. Just caught a nice walleye today, and I'll be taking you through how to fillet the walleye. I'm not the best one out there. There are people who can do a better job than me, but I think I don't suck at filleting walleye, and I will be filleting walleye today, and let's see how it goes. So this is the walleye I got today. We can keep one between 45 centimeters and 50 centimeters. The limit is one walleye for the day. A beautiful one, but not chunky. But I think we'll be getting a nice couple of fillets out of it. Okay, so let's get on to it. Make sure that you have a very sharp knife. So as far as possible, our intention is not to waste too much of flesh, meat. Walleyes are especially good for the cheeks. So I will insert my knife over here, bring it down all the way, and other way around. Slightly flip it open. Knife is quite sharp. I don't want to cut myself, so I'll be doing it. Bring it all the way down. Cheeks taste excellent. So we have one nice cheek over there. And other one. One more thing I forgot to mention. So when I catch the fish, I try to bleed it. I will cut the gill and bleed it properly. So that will help to take out all the blood out of this fish, and we'll be able to maintain a clean meat, and it will also reduce the fishy taste, the fishy smell. So right under the gill and this dorsal fin, I'll do a cut all the way down. There are so many videos available on the YouTube. Come up to the center bone and right along with the center bone, do a thin cut. You can feel the bone. Come up to the fin over here. Run the knife all the way across and do a cut. I'll just leave it over here so the meat remain attached. Then I'll come back here, cut it all the way on top of the center bone. Just like gliding your knife. You can feel and you will be able to hear the sound. Come to the other side, leave it over there. Same way, do a straight cut till you feel the center bone. Same way, gliding your knife along the center bone while feeling it. Come up to the fin over here, slightly guide your bone all the way to the other side, then cut it closely over the bone. This time I will cut it across. Same way, bring it all over. My intention is to make sure that I should not be wasting too much of meat. It's slipping. I should have brought my clipboard for filling, so it would have hold the fish in place right over the belly. Okay, so cut it all the way, cut it nicely. So it's completely detached now. Cut it from here. There you have a butterfly fillet. I think not bad. I have missed a little bit of meat over here, some flesh. Otherwise seems to be pretty neat. Okay, we'll keep this thing aside. Do we need to score from the center? Here we have two fillets. Making sure that I hold the fish right, so otherwise it's going to be very slippery. So I'm using a simple technique. That's a fork to hold it, go at the bottom, and simply guide your knife flat all the way across. My intention is to make sure that I get most of the meat out of it. Okay, here we have one nice fillet. Okay, second one, cut it all the way, the bow, skin, hold it straight, hold your knife at a certain angle, flat, and also you can use your board as a support. This one is nice. Didn't leave a little bit of meat or the flesh over here and a little bit on the top. So we have the second one done. So the thing is that we have fillet. So it mainly has a center bone over here. So since I cut over here, so most of the belly bone or the ribs are here, rib cage. So we are only left with the bone on the center. There is a quick method. I believe that so many people have already done it, and there are a few videos available on the YouTube, and people call it the zipper method. So cut it on the center closely. Two cuts on the center. Hold your fish. So typically like this, two cuts, leaving a little bit of meat in the between. That's where the center bone is. Hold it. There's one fish, one piece. This is piece number 2. Coming up, second piece, all your center bone, and this one meat over here is typically boneless. Okay, so continue the method once again. 2 cuts in the center, just like a zipper. Zip it. This one. This is number 2. Okay, typically you don't have any bone in this fish now. So 2 chicks, a nice fillet, got most out of it, nothing left on this carcass. I believe that I was able to get most of the meat out, leaving less waste, and this will be good for some nice crispy fish fries. Okay, hope you enjoy the video. I would request you to subscribe, and I would appreciate if you can like this video, subscribe, and follow me for more videos to come, and I will be able to add more interesting contents. And right now we are in Slave Lake camping for 5 days. So this is the second day out here. Gorgeous day. A little bit of breeze coming from my behind, keeping it cool, not too hot. Okay, so I hope you will enjoy this video, and I will be back with you with the next videos in the coming days. Hope you have a great day.